let's see what sort of job this does on this, because that's a pretty heavy soil. That's a floor mop, by the way, it's not anything else. Anyway, okay, we're here with the hair. I never know how to pronounce this. I'm trying to be quick as possible because I know my videos tend to drag. Okay, it's got a very cool powder drawer. Yeah, I really like this powder drawer, it's cool. We're using about 180 mils of British Ariel, just for fun, because I hardly ever get a chance to use it. Yeah, and we're using 100 mils of Softland Orchid fragrance. Right. Read below for all the details on this machine, it saves me speaking. So you start by pressing it on off. Okay, we're going to use a coloured cycle because it takes 125 minutes, 1 hour 25 minutes. You can flick through the temperatures like that, 30, 40, 50, 60, we want 60. The speed is automatically set at 900, but I'm going to shift that up to 1200, which is the max revs. And I want an extra rinse, which brings up that little symbol there and takes it up to 1 hour 35 minutes. That's about it. This is quite a large load of wipes and towels and sheets, including a heavy soiled mop. And to start it, you just press start. It weighs the load as it fills up to a set level that it chooses, depending on the size of the load, and then starts washing. It doesn't really do any topping up, it sort of figures it out in the one fill. It also fills very quickly, I've noticed. I'll film more when it's heated up more. It's just done a big top up, like a really big top up. I wasn't expecting it to do a top up that big, but we've now got a huge water level. In all wash cycles, the water level is always visible at about this sort of level, if not a bit lower. But it's always visible, like you can never not see the water line. But in these rinses, like in the rinses for the coloured and the normal cycles, you can't see the water level. It's weird, like during the like it seems to do a really good wash and then sort of, you know, spend less water on rinses or something. It's weird. Yet on the synthetic rinses, that cycle, it doesn't spin in between the rinses, but it fills up to about here for the rinses. And it does 3 of them. It's really good actually, because that seems to do a good job at rinsing them. That's the one I wash my clothes on. Like the lack of interim spin doesn't really seem to matter. Anyway, it's got one more stage of the main wash to go. It's gone through the filling stage. It's now into the long tumble stage, which means it's heating. And then when it starts doing its next phase, which I will show you later, that's when it's heated. But I'll show you that when it happens, because it's quite cool. Alright.